Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Melon Playground or Melon Sandbox, and I'm going to show you guys a new update that how you can download all the mods, guys. As you can see right over here, we got this you'll get this get mod menu. As you can see, there are so many mods, guys, over here to download. You just need to keep going to download just few of them. You can keep downloading as you want. I'm going to show you some of them. I already did it and put it on. Okay, just 1 second, we go mod editor just to show you guys. Okay, here we are. As you can see here, guys, there are so many of them. You can use any one of them. For example, we can go to the load. I'm sorry. Okay, as you can see, there are so many. And then this method, guys, is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. Right now I'm just showing you the steps with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android device. Same steps is working also for the iOS users. I'm recording with my iPhone right now because of camera quality. I like it more. I already did it also in my iPhone, guys. It works totally fine for the both devices. So all you have to do, you just need to follow until the end of this tutorial, and I'll show you all the steps you have to do in order to get all the mods, guys, for Melon Playground. Okay, I'll go immediately right now. I'll not stay to play in the game. I'll go immediately to show you. Just 1 second. Okay, I'll go immediately to show you what you have to do in order to get it. Also, you guys, this mod menu practically, which is going to download all the mods for you. So all you have to do, guys, just make sure you have good connection to the internet and go to your internet browser and just go to search in the searching bar about this website I'm going to type for you. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, guys. Me, I'm using Google right now. Just 1 second to type correctly. Okay, here we are. You just need to enter inside this website. Here I find it, the mod from Melon Playground, and just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys. There are a lot of other mods games inside of the website. You can check later on if you're interested for something else. If not, just go to search about our game. Okay, just a few seconds to get connected. It looks like the server or the site is a bit busy, maybe a lot of people looking for games and mods in this time. Okay, here we are. You just go in the searching bar, type Melon, here it comes, and just press in the middle, guys, and press the green sign download. Now it will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process, guys, you're gonna be able to install the mod and get the mod menu same as me, guys, and download after all the mods. All right, so this is my video tour for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. And before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers.